Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In today's video we will discuss how to set up TP-Link RE365 AC1200 Mbps Wi-Fi range extender using the WPS push button. This is the easiest method to set up the TP-Link extender within 2 minutes without any username or password. If you're looking for the best extender that gives you the perfect Wi-Fi range coverage, then this video is specially made up for you. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful for you. Firstly, unbox the extender box. Inside the TP-Link RE365 AC1200 Mbps Wi-Fi range extender box, you'll find the RE365 extender unit, a quick installation guide to help you set it up, and a warranty card for product support. The package is simple and includes everything you need to get started right away. Take your TP-Link RE365 extender and plug it into a wall socket close to your main router for the initial setup. Wait for about 30 to 60 seconds until the power LED turns solid on. This means the extender is powered up properly. Find the WPS button on your main Wi-Fi router. It's usually marked with WPS or a small 2-arrow, circular icon. On some routers, it may be inside a recessed hole that you press with a pin. Activate WPS on your router. Press the WPS button on your router. The WPS LED on the router should start blinking. This means the router is now searching for a device to pair with. Within 2 minutes of pressing the router's WPS button, press the WPS button on the TP-Link RE365 extender. The RangeExtender LED on the extender will start blinking. Blinking means trying to connect, and the solid green means successfully connected. Give it about 30 to 60 seconds. Once the RE LED turns solid green, it means the extender is successfully connected to your router's Wi-Fi network. Now unplug the extender from the socket near the router. Move it to a location halfway between your router and the area with weak Wi-Fi signal. Plug it back in and wait until the power LED and RE LED light up again. If the signal LED is green, good placement. That's it. Your TP-Link RE365 is now set up using WPS and ready to boost your Wi-Fi coverage. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.